really buoyed the market sentiment today. The government has reassessed additional borrowing requirements, taking note of revenue receipts and expenditure pattern. Requirement of additional borrowing being reduced from 50,000 crore as notified earlier to 20,000 crores now. Let's go across to Ruchi Bhatia, who's joining in with more details. Ruchi, tell us, what are you picking up?
This is an important development coming in less than 2 weeks ahead of the union budget. The government finally saying that they will not be requiring the 50,000 crore rupee additional borrowing. Instead, the borrowing is going to be far lesser, only close to 20,000 crore rupees. And this has been possible on account of expenditure patterns and revenue proceeds also picking up. There are 2 to 3 factors as to why the government is, seeing a lot of optimism. Firstly, the direct tax revenue collection seems to have picked up. Recently, the data that came in also goes on to show that this trend will continue going forward in the upcoming months. Apart from that, the government also not only will meet the 72,500 crore divestment target, but may just top it significantly, and that is also going to help the government significantly going forward. And lastly, we understand the RBI seems to have relented on the additional dividend that they had to give, close to 14,000 crore rupees. In fact, the RBI DG Kanungo recently met Finance Ministry officials, and they seem to have finalized the additional transfer of the funds from the RBI to the government. This number should be looked at very carefully, but because this means that the expectation that was there in terms of fiscal slippage was far higher. We're likely to see the government at least closing in on the 3.2% fiscal deficit gap that they were looking at for this fiscal. And clearly, as we are seeing the bond markets also cheering this move by the government.
Hi, thanks, Ruchi, for that. That's the biggest hint you could have got from the Central Exchequer just ahead of Budget 2018, with the government cutting its borrowing calendar program. Obviously, the street is expecting the fiscal deficit target will be met or almost met, or if there is a fiscal slippage, it's going to be a very small one.